Morning, y'all. So I just left the dentist. I got my love with me.
What's up?
Because she on spring break. So she had to come with me to the dentist. So we just left out. Oh, goodness. Go head to Walmart. And I probably get me a smoothie. Listen to her. Yeah. So, and I have to come back the following week. Just getting stuff done, get my teeth together. Which I'm so happy and proud about. So thankful for. And just continue to pray that everything goes well with my teeth. Because you just never know how things may go once they in there working. You know what I'm saying? But I just pray for myself, for the doctor, you know, and my teeth and everything, my health, and his hands and everything like that, and his judgment and everything like that. So yeah, it's hot. So we just left there. I didn't do no intro because I wasn't sure how I was gonna vlog. So I'll probably try to come back and do an intro. If not, if y'all see me in something totally different, that's because I thought about doing an intro. But I'm gonna try to go ahead and do an intro while I'm thinking about it now, and just add it with this, so that way, if I decide to add more content with this, I already have my intro and all this stuff together like that. But yeah, hope y'all having a great day. Hope y'all having a great morning, because it's still morning. It's still early. Y'all know time change, so it's kind of throwing me back a little bit. Excuse me, I got to spit.
Jeez, I am rich.
Yeah, so I got a taste in my mouth. But yeah, so we'll holler at y'all later. Yeah, it's hot. I want the windows down, get some fresh air. It's your girl Boujee Beauty, and I'm back with another video.
And my love.
And my love. And I'm back with another video. I ain't forget you. Let me do my intro there, girl. And we're back with another video. If you're returning subscriber, what's up? If you're new to the channel, what's good? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification on so you know when I drop a new video. And as always, see the beauty in wellness. Period. Hey girl, get up. Yeah, bring that back.
You should unlock the road. You should have unlocked the road.
I need to get my thing fixed.
You returning these Boujee clothes back?
No.
You returning these Boujee clothes back?
Yeah. Because one is a little too small, and the other one I don't really like.
Hey y'all, it's my love. Oh shoot. Hey y'all, it's my love, and I'm with Boujee Beauty, and I'm back with another video. If you return that subscriber, what's up? And if you're new to the channel,
Subscribe.
subscribe, and listen to the video.
And when you film, turn your device the long way. That way, when I upload it, it won't be like that. It'll be long like that. See, it'll be wide, like a movie. Like when you watch a movie, it'll be wide like that.
So we going to Walmart.
Yeah.
So my mama can return.
Y'all hear my baby? Y'all hear my love? Recording her intro. She vlogging today. Period. We vlogging today.
Mama, I say McDonald's in here.
Ain't no McDonald's in here.
Yes, there is, Mama. I smell it.
That's Subway. Alright. You too, thank you.
The why I smell McDonald's fries.
That's either bread or... Thank you. You want some oranges?
Yes.
Let's get some oranges. You should have bag. Go get a couple bags, like 2-3 bags. And get some fresh flowers.
2 bags?
Get like 3 bags. Go on that side. And get 3 bags. We'll call that y'all.
Hey ladies, natural challenge. No makeup, no filter, no eyelashes. A wig is okay, wig ain't that bad. No eyelashes, no makeup, no filter. Duet this video. Let me see what y'all looking like. Let's go.
This stuff's so expensive, but This is
Because
what we
it's
chose. So
expensive.
we're gonna get a new game. I haven't bought a
Because
game,
it's
and
expensive.
I haven't bought a new game since we got the PS4. So we're gonna get a new game today. All right. So we got a game. Come on, little girl. With this Just Dance. No, but I'm gonna kick her butt and Just Dance. I hope two players.
Excuse me, Mother. Mother,
Yeah.
can I get a toy?
She be itching to spend her little money she just got. Come on. And you better have enough. I ain't put no tax, no chain, no nothing with
Mama,
it.
let's turn.
Oh, I need a container.
I'ma say what I have on my house.
What you got in your house?
Let me show you. Garage, if you don't open up. It says, hello everyone. I just want to say you are beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to change.
That's what you got in your house in Roblox?
Yeah.
That's nice. What made you put that?
Because if you don't have any Robux and people call you weird and noobs and uncool, and you think that you have to change, you don't have to change. If you want to, you can buy Robux, but you still don't have to change. You don't care what anybody thinks about you.
That's true. So you trying to give them a word of encouragement on your house?
Yes.
That's nice.
I'm gonna wait for a sign that says you are beautiful too.
Okay. Yep, baby. I like that. 15 hours later.
We're rocking the vibe.
We finally finna go check out.
Wait, where my doll at?
Bring your money. So you owe me, boo boo.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, well you can put that back.
No, thank you.
Don't play with me. You can give me my money back. Now. It ain't your birthday no more. Let's go check out. TikToking ass. When I want her to do TikTok, she ain't want to do TikTok. I want liking. I like liking. Our little friends got TikTok. Now she want TikTok. Ain't that something? Alright. This is a whole lot of... I need some
You got a whole lot
potting
of
soil. And then I'll be done. Some food. Some plant food. That's what I need, plant food. That shit's so good.
There's some pretty ones there.
Yes, ma'am. These are really pretty. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to do that separate. Yes. We're done.
Then lock this stall.
We're
then
done.
We're in another stall and lock that stall and
Oh,
stay
so
in that stall.
we gotta come get some of these. Come on.
Down below. And we got all our groceries. And yeah.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my baby channel, period.
Period. Bye, y'all.
Bye. Girl, that is not no Ariana Grande. She thought the girl look like Ariana Grande. That girl is on Ariana Grande. And she's sitting here waiting for something out of time. She said it look like Ariana Grande. Why cut the ponytail? I'm gonna get me some Polo Tropical.
I'm about to get me some Mickey D's.
Ew. No, this is good. Since you're my boo. Ooh. I, I don't know. I'm gonna get this for lunch. Dude, I gave you plenty of room to get out. I'm a savage. She want McDonald's. You need to let that man walk by. Come on with your non-driving tail.
If you hit my mama,
He ain't gonna hit it. He better know how to drive.
you don't.
No, everybody look at him like that. Everybody look at him like that. Man, how much more room you need? She gave you all the room you need, and then you about to hit folks. Who calling you? He calling me. I ain't answering. Oh, I should have went to Publix.
To act ratchet.
No, I need to get some.
Answer.
I don't act ratchet. I'm classy all the
No,
time.
you're
Ooh, I am classy all the time.
not. No, you're
I'm ratchet all the time. I'm ratchet all the time.
not. Yeah.
All the time.
You doing it right now.
Let the church say all the time. Exactly. I'm classy all the time.
Ranch.
What?
Ranch.
I'm ratchet.
Like ranch. Ranch.
So your mom ain't got no class.
You got a little bit.
Ooh! Give me them $2 back there.
Sorry, I lost it.
Your total was $17.
That's how much class she got.
That ain't even funny.
Charge my iPad.
Nope. Since I'm ratchet, no. Since I ain't got no class, no.
Well, Mama, it's the
Dead. It's to throw it over
No,
to.
it's not.
It's to throw it to the other side for me. It's to throw it to the other side for me. Let me figure out what I want. It's to throw it to the other side for me because it's dead.
It's the you forgot what you want from me.
It's the I know what I want. It's the I'm not going to McDonald's for me.
And it's
You ain't got no money.
It's I'm gonna take your keys and drive to McDonald's.
No,
for
you
me.
can't, and no, you won't, and no, you ain't.
I am.
No, you ain't, because I'm ratchet. Lunch special. I don't need a whole lot of. You think you getting McDonald's? I'm ratchet, so ratchet people don't buy
Yes, they do.
ratchet people don't buy
Yes, they do.
that cheer McDonald's.
Yes.
I got no money in my
Can you please stop acting like that?
Yeah, I'm ratchet. Remember, so I gotta be myself. I gotta play the part.
I'm probably getting hurt.
I gotta play the part, and I ain't even gotta play the part
Screaming.
to play the part. Period. Pooh.
Just stop screaming.
The role is ratchet. She said I'm ratchet, so I'm gonna be ratchet. If she said I was classy, I'm gonna do classy.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I like
If she said I was bougie, I would do the bougie. But right now, I'm ratchet, so I gotta act ratchet.
Now you acting like Cardi.
Let me get the $4 special for the day.
Can you? You are so ratchet.
Let me get a special for the day. Yeah, I want guava sauce for 'em. Yep.
She's so pretty.
I'm paying with cash, boo.
She's so pretty.
I'm a driver.
Shut up.
Who told you to open that? Huh? Ain't nobody tell you open that. So you just gonna disobey me? Your ratchet mama. Oh, you so disrespectful. Not who ratchet?
You?
No, you ain't listening.
Yeah.
Ooh, I almost got a ratchet daughter.
This is my dog.
Ooh, girl, you so cute.
Thank you, Queen.
I like your hair, girl.
Thank you.
Ooh, the purple is cute. It's cute.
Mama, her name is Rain Cutie.
Ooh, Rain, cutie girl. I'm finna dye my hair purple. I want them earrings and that outfit back there too, and clean all your mess up.
And she come with
Put all your trash in the bag. Ratchet Junior. Yep, Ratchet Junior.
I am not ratchet.
Yeah, you is.
You is.
I know. I'm proud of it. I'm ratchet. All of it. Do the most. Period, Pooh.
What's wrong with her?
Always and forever.
She needs to stop acting ratchet.
Each moment with you. I want to have my money ready.
Mama, they don't give you money. You give them money.
I know you ain't talking.
I am. I have a point.
Watch this, y'all. Watch this.
What's she saying, y'all?
With a half lemonade, half sweet tea. Half and half, me boo. You said I'm ratchet. She want ratchet. I'm gonna give her ratchet. What the nigga doing to watch? Yeah, that's good.
Stop
Okay, she said it's real sweet. Ooh. Let me hold them $2. Give me the $2, girl. Come on, so I can pay the man. Give me the $2. Right there. 7. Give me the stop playing. You said 7 what? Okay. Oh, here you go. I got another 55, 56, 57, 58. Oh, I'm embarrassing you now. When the window was up, I wasn't embarrassing you. Here you go, hon. My daughter said I'm ratchet, so I gotta talk ratchet with you. So what's wrong with you? You embarrassing me. I said when the window was rolled up, you ain't say I wasn't embarrassing you. Do it for the YouTube one time, that's all. I ain't embarrassing you. I'm gonna let your window down. She can't roll up, I got it locked. Thank you. Look, she can't even let the window up. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. You want to play with me? Don't play with me, boo. Don't play with your mama. Yo, I hit the window down on her. She wasn't expecting that. The unexpected. When you with the ratchet, expect the unexpected. Y'all, she said, you turn the air down. She said, you embarrassed. She said, you embarrassing me. Y'all, this one took the cake. I told him, I said, my daughter said, y'all heard me. My daughter said, all right, so I got to talk ratchet with you. He started blushing and laughing. Oh, shit. So I said, I'm finna let the window down. I let the window down. God bless you. I just spent my cash. No, the man on the corner. God bless you. I had let the window down. I let the window down so he can see it ain't no grown daughter. I got a legit talking about I'm ratchet. So I want you to see this little girl talking about her mama ratchet. I said we gotta do it for YouTube one time. He said, alright. He couldn't count the money. He was laughing so hard. She said, stop, you embarrassing me. Girl, I'm about to forget your McDonald's.
You better give me my McDonald's.
I don't better nothing. I'm about to go that way and take it home. Now I'm in the wrong turning lane. I gotta go. I'll holler at y'all at McDonald's. That's real cute. Let me zoom it in. Give me time. Let me see it.
Be careful with her hat.
Ooh, too late.
Keep on falling off.
Yes, squirrel. Yes. What you giggling for in the back. Yes, boo.
Stop acting like that.
Ooh, girl. Ooh, yeah. I knew you'd be cute. A cute addition to the family. You'll be on the floor the same day. You'll be torn apart the same day. Your hair will be missing the same day. Your water bottle cup be missing the same day. Your hairstyle will not be like that the same day. Po child, you gonna fit right in. Po thing. Cause my love gonna destroy you.
Stop.
You only cute for right now. You gonna be looking.
Stop.
Yeah, I ain't mean. I'm telling all her business. I'm sorry. I'm gonna edit that out. Fun fact.
I just heard you say you're not gonna edit it out.
Fun fact. I'm not here. Fun fact. Let me let y'all in on a little something. Fun fact.
Fun fact, she got wings.
She really don't care.
Fun fact, she
gonna destroy that dog. All my sauce.
Yo.
I was too busy trying to entertain y'all and fooling with her. I ain't even count my sauces, but it ain't right.
At least.
Hey, slow that shit down. Slow that shit down, bro. You ain't my bro, so you a bruh. Slow that shit down, bro.
If you see Ratchet, you see my mama.
You got me there. Ooh. What you want from Nasty
A
Nikki?
Happy Meal.
Y'all came in the wrong way.
I dated to roll the window down and say, get out of line.
I'm finna tell the people that work here they came through the wrong. They got the cones there for a reason. For a treason. Not just for this season. Y'all didn't even order nothing. Ha, that's why it ain't work. What you want, girl?
I want a Happy Meal. Stop acting ratchet.
Let me show y'all my Polo Tropical.
It's nasty.
No, it's not. You eat this chicken and you eat this rice. You don't eat the beans.
I thought you had. Ew.
See that you always opening up your mouth before you know what you talking about.
Beans are nasty, queen. Okay. Beans are super
Lord,
nasty.
thank you for this food we about to receive and nursing against nobody in the hands of credit.
Amen. I love you.
I love you more, baby. You want the bread?
I want some rice.
No.
You said, do you want some ribs?
No, that ain't what I said.
Then what you said?
It don't matter. You ain't get none. You get this fake food.
Excuse me. Hello.
Order your food. Vlog your food. Vlog you order your food.
I'm gonna help you.
It's an iPad dead for me. Order. She 1 second. Go order your food, girl.
Can I get a Happy Meal?
Tell them what pieces. 4 or 6.
A 6-piece Happy Meal.
Speak up.
Can I get a 6-piece Happy Meal?
1 second.
Maybe you gotta look for it.
Would you like apple slices or fries with the Happy Meal?
Extra fries, please.
And what would you like as a drink?
Tropical Berry Sprite.
Tropical berry Sprite.
We have high tea, is that alright?
Yes.
They ain't got no Sprite? Y'all don't have no Sprite?
We have regular Sprite, but not Tropic Berry.
Oh, okay. So what you want, regular Sprite or you want a...
Regular Sprite.
Anything else?
That's all.
Alright, first window.
Your order right? She gotta order her own food. She know what she want.
Where's your credit card? I'm about to pay.
She know what she like. I don't want that roll.
Dang. Yeah, girl, you a rabbit. You looking powder. Put down. Trying to get to the umbo.
And everybody that sent my love, her birthday blessings. We thank y'all. Tell them thank you, baby.
Thank you, y'all. Thank you, y'all, if y'all watching, because I know y'all watch YouTube. Don't cap.
Ooh, don't clap because she know y'all watch YouTube and she know y'all watching this.
Period, fool.
No, but for real though, we thank y'all. And which she gave her personal thank yous. But you know, thanking you again because she sure finna spend some of her money she got on her food.
Yes.
Before you pay, let them read your order back. Come you too.
Me too. I don't like talking to people that I don't know.
It don't matter. You be nice.
Your credit card, sis.
Thank you.
I say here, your credit card, sis. Dang, you were brand.
Open your box and make sure your food in there. You got extra fries.
Thank you.
Check your box.
Yes.
You got your extra fries?
Yes.
All right.
Hey, Mom, I got a girl on the first try.
Who was that? I'm finna park and eat my food.
Me too. Where my car at? I said me too.
All right, I'll holler at y'all when we get home and put up the groceries and stuff.
Different.
Look, Mama.
To the masterpiece. I ain't even got
I got a package coming today.
For me.
You have a package coming today, and I have a package coming today. But I'm so excited for the package that's coming for me. Well, it's not. It's not really for me. It's really for y'all and whoever else. It's for the beauty queens.
And for the business.
Yeah, it's some new hot shit.
Period, boo.
I can't wait to see it. I'm about to you know, show y'all, do a little haul.
And I'm gonna pop it.
She gonna pop it.
And I'm gonna record me playing with it on TikTok. So y'all stay tuned for that.
Ain't got nothing to do with the business or making no money. Move, fly! Gone!
I'm trying to eat your food.
No,
Let
it
me eat
ain't.
your food.
It can eat what's left when I'm done. It ain't even eat that. I don't know if it was. But yeah, I'm ready to get home. I want to be home when they come. I got a sign for it and everything. So, I'm excited.
They're probably gonna leave their clip over there.
I'm excited, I'm happy, and I'm grateful.
And
I'm
I'm
blessed
happy.
that, able to
Where is my sauce?
add to the business, the inventory, and keep things stocked up, and keep things, fresh and spicy for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. And make sure y'all checking out my lovebougeelines.com now.
Period, boo.
We got men collection, kids collection, wellness collection coming next. Got fashion, a lot.
Period. Like, go buy it. Link down in the description.
The link will be posted down in the description down below.
Description.
That's what I said. What I said?
Description.
I thought I said description. All that. Y'all go support. Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Period, boo.
You know?
Period.
You like it, buy it. Don't question the price. Don't question it. It's gonna get sent to you. Ain't no scam, ain't no gimmick, none of that.
Like, period.
You buy it and get sent out.
You know, like, period.
And
I could have gone with two McDonald's.
I'm gonna be doing y'all a nice little bit and sit the favor. Who hopped in there?
Hopped in what?
I'm so nosy. Who hopped in the sheriff truck at
What
McDonald's?
What truck?
Maybe one of them got out and go get some eat. But anyways,
Like, hey, it's the cops.
I don't care. I'm not being nosy. They didn't know I'm being nosy. Why they sitting behind my car? But
They trying to check the license.
they probably did run my license plate. But I'm good though. That's for sure.
Period.
All the way around. I ain't around there. I started around there a long time ago. Was y'all with me? Nah, I don't think I was blogging then.
No.
When I was around. But
He was only doing Snapchat.
okay. But
Fake Instagram.
nah, I wasn't on it.
Facebook?
I probably was putting it on Snapchat. But I was talking about, oh yeah, like y'all know, like I can do 3 to 5 business days, but most of the time
It's mommy
I
and daughter
send out-
day.
no, I send out the next day
The
or
best
within 3
one.
days. Period. Faster shipping over here. I ain't gotta wait. Y'all ain't gotta put no order in. And y'all gotta wait 5 to 7 business days or 7 to 14 days. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's like wholesale order, which I'm gonna be doing it too on stuff, but it ain't like y'all make a purchase and I gotta call my vendor or order some stuff. And I gotta wait for it to get here, then send it to y'all. No.
That don't work like that.
It don't work like that. Not over here. It work like that. So there's a lot of people doing that. But not us.
Oh no.
Now we got it.
Period. Boo.
And if I ain't got it, for whatever reason, I've run out, best believe my connect ain't finna be taking those 7 to 14 days to get to me, then take another 3 to 5 days to get to y'all.
Period. Boo.
It's gonna be next day or within 3 days and get y'all. Where it still be in a good quality amount of shipping time. Cause I don't have to ship out the next day. I do that out of kindness of my heart. I don't have to ship out the next day. I said 1 to 3 business days. I could wait till the 3rd day to send out y'all stuff. If I really wanted to. Or if I was busy, you know what I'm saying? But now if I'm busy and I'm out of town or I'm out of the city, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, okay, I gotta get home. I know I got 3 days or I got 3 to 5 days, business days, whatever like that. But if I say it's 1 to 3 business days or 3 to 5 business days, that's just what it's gonna be. It ain't gonna drag. I ain't eat all that rice, y'all. I barely ate that rice. All that rice over there, I ain't want that bread.
I could cut this.
Why my cup in here? Who did that? You did that?
Who did what?
I know I ain't put my cup in there. You did that?
No, that was you.
I did it. For real?
Yeah, that was you.
I might have thought I sat it to the side and I might have decided in the back because it was in the corner of the bag. This gotta go back home. This my favorite drinking cup. I don't even let you get that cup. Ooh, excuse me.
You pour mine out too.
There's something in there? Let me see it.
Let me pour it out. Look how much hot. Look, mama.
Let me do it if you ain't gonna do it right.
I am gonna do it.
Alright, so lunch was straight. It wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Damn, I meant to ask McDonald's for a cup of ice.
The lunch was good, even though we ate between meals.
Huh?
The lunch was good, even though we ate between meals.
We didn't eat between meals. You ate between meals. Your greedy tail ate between meals. You the one ate them apple slices and them cheese and stuff. Put all that trash. I didn't eat between meals. What did you see me eat?
I saw
And-
you eat
Don't get on my stuff lying. Now we be playing and joking, but don't be lying for lying. Now you lying, cause now you trying to think of a lie. You trying to think of a lie. Don't lie. Shit, don't lie, period, but don't lie. Cause you sure finna think of something. You ain't see me ate nothing this morning, but when we left the house at 9 o'clock, I ate some oatmeal. I ate half of that, half of a bowl, and I drank some tea. And that's all. And I went to my dinner this morning. That's all I had, and I just not eating. And it's about 3 o'clock. Oh, it's like 3 o'clock. I gotta get home. It like me 3 o'clock, so don't play with me. Come on, no damn in between. You ate in between. Gotta eat all that shit from Walmart. You want to eat your apple slices and pretzels and candy and junk. Girl, boo. Shut it down real quick. She don't play about that lot of shit. Now, we ain't joking and playing now. She tried to come up with something, y'all. She tried to. I had to shut that down. Put all that trash in this bag, please, ma'am, so I can throw it out. And come on, let me go use the bathroom. I really don't want to get out and go in here.
Mama.
I ain't gonna be able to make it to the house.
Mama, what if somebody threw their face in here? In the trash?
Where my sanitizer at? And then look at all this trash and put in their trash can. They got trash can somewhere. Here. Get all that trash right there. Put all that trash in there.
I'm spraying this ass control on your head.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm still hungry. That food ain't did nothing for real, honestly. Tell you the truth. But I ain't gonna get nothing else to eat. I'm gonna go home and cook. Where my music at? Y'all, I finally got me an auxiliary cord, a new one, and it's over with now.
What's wrong with it?
Where my music at? If you ever gotta choose between me and the next bitch, nigga, pick that next bitch. Don't choose. If you think you gotta choose her. If you know you ain't gotta choose, you already know what's up over here. Period. And if it's me and another bitch, you gotta let that bitch go. If you don't know what to do, pick her. Don't pick me, cause you don't know what you want. It's just that simple.
Let me be girl.
If you know what you want, then it's always gonna be me off rip. And if them dusty hoes is dusty hoes, then they dusty hoes, they get left in the dust like they should do. Period. Back to the music. Get to the house, all the packages out here. I kind of hate that they came and left it by my door, but thank God nobody didn't take our stuff. But don't open that right now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know what this might be. Oh, that's my the camera ain't focusing. But it's my TLC stuff. That's the TLC. Which I didn't even know I had ordered. I had put some money in my account. And the shit just took the product for the monthly subscription, I guess. Well, now that our packages then came early, I can go walking later. Because I didn't go walk this morning. Because I had an appointment to go to. So, yeah. I can get me a workout in. I can work out at the house, but I want to go walk. I didn't walk yesterday, but I worked out last night at the house. So, Ocean Drive. And I'll show y'all the color I got from the hair store as well. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe another video. Who knows? I don't know. You shall see. We shall see. I shall see what it's gonna be. Okay, I don't like how my music is not playing while I'm recording. I don't like that. What's up with that? Like, what's up with that? Oh, I know I forgot to get a perm. I forgot to get me a relaxer, y'all. Because I'm gonna relax my hair. I had to slick my edges down. Who calling me on Duke? Who's calling me? Israel dead. Hey y'all.
Alright, there we go. I won't be on here too long.
Let me.
I'm about to get ready to go.
I don't know why my music doing that. It ain't never did that when I record. My music stop. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm about to play the music on the other phone, but the other phone finna go dead, and I just gotta do a call. Mind your business. But I want to listen to my music, so I'm gonna put my groceries up, and I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all ain't even gotta. Psh. I don't know why my music doing this. The sun is setting. I ain't mean to come out here today. I keep forgetting time. Like, come on. Whew. Gotta go back up that hill. We're almost done. Whew. Amazing walk. Catch y'all later. Yeah, I'm getting strong. Y'all know the vibes. About to cook. Get on this wine. Not gonna really bring out with me tonight as far as cooking dinner. But I'm gonna saute some fish, make some rice, do me a stir fry. I got me a sweet potato. I got the wine on deck, and y'all, of course, got the seasonings on deck. Period. But I'll come back a little bit here and there. Who knows? I don't know. But we'll see. Excuse the hair. I need to put my hat on. But it's something good. I don't know why my music is stopping. It normally don't do it. But I haven't tried this wine, so it's my first time trying this. And of course I read it. So that's what made me want to try it. And it's pretty straight. It's not overly sweet. I can't do that extra sweet shit. Let it sit to my stomach. So I'm gonna see how this made me feel, but the taste is not too bad. It got a little to it, but it's a little sweet. Cause it's a Moscato, so I know it's gonna have a little sweetness to it. But yeah. What am I? Oh, beef. It's a Moscato. So, but I got that because it was bigger and I get more for my buck. But at the same time, I don't mind getting the regular size bottle because I like what I like. You know what I'm saying? But I do like to try different little wines and stuff like that from time to time. But usually I still buy what I like. I ain't want to drink on no liquor, like that at night. So keep it real simple, real life, real class. I want ratchet tonight with the liquor. Since my love say you rat, I'm ratchet. But I'm gonna cook. Food up. Alright, I'm done cooking. Pretty much almost done cleaning. I got them dishes that I put all the food, what's left in a bowl, and then the dishes I gotta wash, but everything else is clean and ready to go. I'm gonna show y'all the food. I wanna build this love. Alright, so I got a sweet potato. And that's the fish. That's the stir fry. It got broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, ginger, sweet peppers, and I also put pineapple and mango in there. I didn't eat rice. I don't need it. My love got rice because it's rice in there. My love got the same thing except for no potato. She got rice. And then of course I got my second glass of wine. Alright, beauty queens, I'm about to go ahead and end this video. If you're a subscriber, no. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the Boujee Beauty Crew. And it's always City Beauty and Wellness. Until next time, it's been be easy. Look, I'm blaming on the wine. Straight up, I'm blaming on the wine. It's the food in the background for me. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to sit down. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to put my feet up. I'm ready to find me something good to watch. Eat my good food and all that. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.